Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I am back and I'm so sorry that I was gone for so long. Honestly, when it gets towards the end of the year, it gets so hectic and seasonal depression can be a bitch. But I am back and I'm going to be giving you all more tutorials. I want these tutorials to be more educational, so here we are. We're obviously patting out the P. Louise base, and I'm showing you the brushes because I think it's so important to see what brushes I use rather than just me telling you, if that makes sense. I like to blend out the base around the edges and tapping it on the top of my eyelids to even out the base. This is to prevent the eyeshadows being patchy and wet and stuff like that. So I'm using the Gravity palette by Bperfect. I was literally trying it out in this video. This is like brand new to me and I've fallen in love with it. So I'm starting with the shade Atmosphere as a transition, and then I'm going to the shade Weightless to blend out that transition shade to make it seamless. Then I went back into the previous shade to build it up. This look is quite simple. I want to start off with something easy, and we're going to cut the crease with the Made by Mitchell colour case. And the reason I didn't remove the cut crease with Cut Carver is because you don't need to. The black is like the darkest colour, so it won't mix with any colours. I'm taking this random liner brush that's kind of thick and I'm using it to blend out the paint. So when we apply the shadows on top, it's seamless. I think it is so important to blend out your base shades before applying eyeshadow because it makes a difference. Taking dark matter, which is like a glittery black, and it's so pretty, I love it. And we're going to be patting it on top of the paint to set it. The Made by Mitchell paints are self-setting, but I do prefer to add an eyeshadow on top because that's what I like. And it makes it more pigmented. We're taking the shade Gravity on this like pencil brush and we're going to create this beautiful grey blend. This look would have been perfect for New Year's Day or any special occasion because it's such a nice glam look. Taking the shade Tidal Wave on another like pencil brush. This is the Angel Co CH07 and we're blending out the previous shade. With each shade I like to go in little by little. And I like to take my time because I like to build up the intensity. If I just dipped my eyeshadow once into the pan and started blending, it'd be a patchy mess. I'm going to film a more detailed video on the eyeshadow blending once I get a microphone because my phone audio, like my mic for when I film, is actually really bad. I don't know why, but it is. Like anywhere else that I film, it's fine. But on the actual camera app on my phone, it's actually awful. So here we're creating a smoky liner. Now it doesn't matter if you mess up on the outer corners because we will be cleaning this up later on. And I'm building up the same shades as I used for the cut crease to make the smoky liner. And we're trying to keep a gap in the middle of those blends so we can apply the shimmer later on. And with each step, I don't go in with the eyeshadows once. I keep dipping in and making sure each shade and each blend is seamless. And then I go back a few times to build up the intensity. I believed I went back in about 3 times, but for this video you only see it twice. And then we're going to be taking the shade Cosmic Dust for the Brow Bone Highlighter. I'm obsessed with brow bone highlighters lately. It's actually really blinding and you could probably use this as highlighter. I'm taking the Cosmetics Fix Potion. This is perfect for pigment. It is like glitter glue, like glitter and pigment glue. And I'm now applying the Take 2 Cosmetics pigment in Glass Slipper. Look at that. That is just insane. That is blinding. This kind of went everywhere, like on my jumper and my pants, but I didn't even care. I was like, I'll take it. It's so pretty and so sparkly, and it kind of reminded me of Drip Drip by Made by Mitchell. And here we are cleaning up the eyes. I'm using a wipe for this. And then to add more depth, I'm going to do a small like line on my eyes with eyeliner to sort of tie it in and make it like cat-like, if that makes sense. And then I smoked it out a little on the edges to blend it in with the smoky liner. And then we're tight lining my eyes, just the bottom waterline because I can't be bothered doing the top. Then I apply the transition shade underneath to give it depth, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.